The boy in the lawn chair. I think I want to fix air conditioners as a job. Ring, ring, ring. Hello, this is the boys' air conditioner service. How may I help you?
Yes, I accidentally microwaved the microwave.
I'm sorry, sir. I only do air conditioners. Well, screw you then. Ring.
My trumpet is out of tune. Can you come look at it?
No, I only fix air conditioners. Dang, people not needing their dang air conditioners. Ring, 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 ring. Hello?
Hello, can I have some help with my conditioner?
Thank the Lord. Finally, somebody who needs their air conditioner fixed.
Yeah, I've tried shaking it. It won't come out of the bottle or nothing. Can you please come up?
It's my plumbing.
No!
My love life?
No!
My dog.
No! Can you fix Karen's? Sorry, sir. Nobody can fix them. Does anybody have an air conditioner I can fix?
I do.
Well, where is it?
Right here.
Well, sir, can't fix what ain't broke. So I guess I'm gonna have to break it.
Oh, shoot.
Hey, hey, what's the matter?